welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we go ahead and look at a simple project that will help us to determine the number of digits in an integer number. Alright, so that really looks like a tongue twisting, and we're going to determine the number of digits in an integer number. So let's go ahead and kick off immediately by declaring integer variable of int x, and I'll go ahead and tell the user to insert multiple integer numbers. All right, so we can be able to determine that. Okay, and then we go ahead and say that x is equal to, in case there is a negative number, change that to absolute number. Okay, absolute number of x, and then we go ahead and use a count, so we can be able to count the number. So that count will equal to 1 and plus semicolon, and then x division divided plus equal to 10. Then use a while loop and go ahead and say let yx is greater than 0, or yx not equal to 0. So yx greater than 0 or not equal to 0, any one of them, you can go ahead and use that. Then x equal to 10, then count plus equal 1. Then go ahead and print out count. Print, see the number of integer is count. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. I believe everything being equal is gonna work out very fine. Let's go ahead and input different numbers. So go ahead and run, and the number of integers is 10. Check it out: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's go ahead and run this code again and check it out. Let's say we have, and the number of integers is 3. Can you see that? It's working out very fine. And I'll go ahead and draw this down. The code is just ready before you. Go ahead and put this down on your system, play around with it, and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.